Amid growing confusion surrounding the Tura Medical College and Hospital, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma clarified that the institution will remain government-owned, though its academic operations will be managed through a public-private partnership or PPP. Speaking at Mendipathar, the Chief Minister said that while the hospital will function under the State Health Department, a private partner will manage the medical college to address a shortage of qualified faculty in the state. He added that the majority of MBBS seats will be reserved for Meghalaya students under the state quota, with a small number under management quota to support operational needs. All fees will be regulated under the Meghalaya Private Medical Institutions Ordinance 2024. Conrad Sangma also emphasized that the PPP model does not transfer full control to private hands. Instead, it is a time-bound venture with clear roles, allowing the government to reassume full control in the future if needed. The first academic session is expected in 2026-27, subject to compliance with the National Medical Commission's requirements.
Yana agre, talo Tura Medical College ko function lo atna kupan so dunja. Kung jada ching singlan again. Komyo ba bulsi bunga bulsi chikang singlan again. Aruni kisepo yan ang big pansin ni dalo. Building rang ko chikar chok. Asset rang ko kaha. Yan ang pansin. And then dal chipedo na ode building rang ko usto again plus ang sinaba dal big pa the money okinga. Uni kaman yan dalo Tura Medical College ni plan ka. Uni kaman jerangan dalo doubt tungi yatsun. Isiko yako privatize kana pengen sececem ang anak semang na iko clarify kakaska mamang taba privatize ungja ya building aro college aro plug asset rang sorkari nino aigen iko tsinga mamang saloba private party na tsinga ungjawa and ba management aro professor angko rembana tsinga professional help rangko ragen aro sini sadamberang na state ni quota ni basis so anchini sadamberang na majority seat rangko anchini dongen aro ya quota ko Meghalaya state government ni rate government rate chna fee structure rangko charge kagen.